Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection with delete operation. So first of all, what are lists in Python programming? So coming to some technical points related to the list. So lists are ordered collection of data or elements in Python. List provides indexes to collection of data or elements, and lists are mutable. Mutable means we can modify, update or delete original data. And list is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And we give list values in square brackets and multiple values are separated with commas. For example, list 1 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So now coming to list indexes. So list provides indexes to its collection of data, both positive as well as negative. So positive is included with 0 to and -1. For example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So here the forward direction indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 respectively, which is left to right forward direction. We also have backward direction right to left indexes, which is -1 to -5, 11 to 55 or 55 to 11 in our example. So here, to perform any deletion of a particular element, we use del keyword. So delete keyword from the list provide with an index. That particular index value will be deleted from the list. Or delete list, we can pass starting index to ending index. Ending index element is not included, so from the starting index to the ending index all elements will be deleted. Next, delete list of starting index, ending index, step value. So here end index element is not included. Based on the step value from the starting index, range of elements will be deleted. For example, delete list of 0, first element will be deleted. Delete list of 1, 3. So beginning index is 1, ending index is 3. So 1, 2 indexed elements are deleted. Third index, end index element is not included. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python lists example 7. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking a list with 5 values: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So print list of 1. After that, delete list of 0. 11 will be deleted. When you print list of list 1, it will have only 4 elements: 22, 33, 44 and 55. So let us execute all the cases one by one. Save the program, come to the prompt where you have saved this program and run it. So initially we have 5 elements, list of 0, first indexed element is deleted. After that we have only 4 elements. Next, case 2. So I'm taking list with 5 elements. I want to delete range. List 1, 3. So first index 22, second index 33 will be deleted. Third index 44 is not included. After that, print list 1. Execute till here. Save and run. So 22, 33 are deleted. After that we have only 11, 44, 55. Next, we will take a step value. So list I'm taking 5 elements. Delete list of 0 to 5. Step value is 2. So 0, 11 will be deleted. Next step value is 2. So 2, 33 will be deleted. Next 55, index 4 will be deleted. So anyhow we don't have fifth index, it is not included. After that we have only 2 elements, 22 and 44. So run the program. 11, 33, 55 are deleted. We have only 2 elements. So next, coming to list with 5 elements. Delete list -4 to -1. So -4, so 11 is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 is not included. So 22, 33, 44 are deleted. You will have only 11, 55. Print list 1. Save and run. 11 and 55. So negative indexes range. Next. So list with 5 elements. So delete list of -5, -1, step value 2. So -5, 11 is deleted. Step value 2. -3, 33 is deleted. Step value 2. -1, 55 is not deleted because it is the ending index. So 11, 33 are deleted. You will have only 22, 44, 55. Save and run. 22, 44, 55. Next, let us take few more elements. So list with 5 elements. I'm taking delete list of starting index is 3. I'm not giving the ending index. So 3, 4 indexes will be deleted. After that, print the list. You will have only 3 elements. Okay. Run it. 11, 22, 33. 0, 1, 2. 3, 4 are deleted. Next, coming to one more case. List with 5 elements. Delete list of, I'm not taking the beginning index, so it will start from 0. 0, 1, 2. Third index is not included. So 11, 22, 33 will be deleted. You will have only 2 elements, 44, 55. Third index and fourth index. Next, one more case, last one. I want to delete all the elements at a time. So list with 5 elements. Delete list of, I'm not giving beginning index, ending index, just colon. So beginning index will be 0, ending index will be 4. All the elements will be deleted in this case. Print list, you will get a empty list. Okay, all the elements are deleted. So this is how we are supposed to work with delete operation on list collection using del keyword. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.